Car not starting? 5 DIY tips to get your car started. Here's what to check. Tip 1. First, check your car battery. Because a dead car battery is one of the main causes for a car no start. So, try a jump start using another car, with some jumper cables. Otherwise, try to charge the car battery with a car battery charger. Also check the battery water levels and check if it's leaking water. And check if the connections, cables, to the car battery are fitted correctly to the battery and are secure. If you find corrosion at its connections, try to clean it, but be safe. Another tip, when attempting a start, and you can hear the starter engaging or working, but the engine is not starting. Then disconnect the car battery, wait a few seconds, and then reconnect it. Then attempt starting again. But just remember, when disconnecting the car battery, first remove the black cable and then the red cable. And when reconnecting, it's first the red cable, and then lastly the black cable. Thank you for watching. This is tip 1 of 5 DIY tips. Please like and subscribe for more.